Multiple choice questions in social science. When were the trains used first? 200 years ago, 250 years ago, 150 years ago, 300 years ago. Answer is 150 years ago. How did the ancient people travel? By bus, by train, by ship, on foot. Answer is on foot. In the ancient times, tools were made up of which materials? Stones, wood, bone, all of these. Answer is all of these. Places where the people made tools are known as factory sites, residence sites, habitation sites. None of these. Answer is factory sites. In which state were the eggs of ostrich found? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Noida. Answer is Maharashtra. From where did the Harappans get copper? Mumbai, Delhi, Kerala, Rajasthan. Answer is Rajasthan. Who supplied food to craft persons, scribes and rulers in the cities? Local citizens, farmers and herders, postmen, all of these. Answer is local citizens. From where did the boats and ships come into the sea and rivers? Ports, dockyards. None of these, both A and B. Answer is dockyards. How did the Harappans irrigate their fields and grow plants? Through rainfall, stored water, streams, rivers. Answer is stored water. What was the thing used to shape sand or powdered quartz into an object? Gum, ink, nails, rubbers. Answer is gum. What is the name given to full moon night? Amvase, Purnima, both A and B. None of these. Answer is Purnima. What are celestial bodies? The sun, the moon, all the shining bodies in the sky, all of these. Answer is all of these. Which is the most recognizable constellation? The Saptarishi, the moon, the sun, the Mars. Answer is the Saptarishi. The celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light but are lit by the light of the stars are named as stars, planets, both A and B. None of these. Answer is planets. The word planet has been derived from the word planetia, which is named as Latin word, German word, Greek word, English word. Answer is Greek word. What divides the earth into two equal parts? The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Arctic Circle. Answer is Equator. Between which parallels of latitudes in the torrid zone situated? Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. None of these. Answer is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Which of the following is called the prime meridian? 23.5 degree north, 23 degree 30 south, 82 degree 30 second in east, 0 degree longitudes. Answer is 0 degree longitude. The local time of 82 and 30 east longitude is taken as a standard throughout the India. It is known as local time of India, both A and B. Indian Standard Time. None of these. Answer is Indian Standard Time. Which of the following zone is situated between 66-30 south and poles? Torrid zone, temperate zone, Fritz zone, all of these. Answer is Fritz zone.